In this video tutorial, we're going to learn how to customize Acumatica and what can be customized in the Acumatica instance, right? So you can customize pretty much everything. You can customize the skin, the colors, the translation. You want to translate from English to Spanish, or you want to customize by adding a custom logic, custom business logic, or a custom screen. You may want to build your own generic inquiries, a report, a dashboard. So you can customize pretty much everything in Acumatica. It's a highly customizable solution. So in order to do that, we have installed a local instance, which really helps you to customize this because you're making the changes locally and it's not affecting your live instance. That's the best practice, and we recommend that so that you're not disturbing or creating a blunder or an issue or a mistake where you can affect the SaaS live instance. So it's always recommended to install locally so you can customize everything locally. Make sure you test it. If it all looks good, then you can actually deploy or push those changes to the server. And I'm going to show you in this video tutorials how to customize and how to push that information from your test or dev environment to the production. So here we have Acumatica. I'm going to go into sales order. I'm going to show you one small customization that we're going to do. I can click on sales orders and I can see all the sales orders that were created today or yesterday or whatever it is, right? So now it's nice, but I got to see what line items are there in the sales order. So I got to click on it and go and then see those line items. What I want to do is maybe it's a new requirement that somebody asked, can I see all the line items of a sales order in a generic inquiry? And this is what we call GI, which is generic inquiry. You can definitely do that. So you can go ahead and click on customization and click edit generic inquiry. So I just want to show you how quickly you can adapt. This is an existing GI. So what I can do is I can actually literally copy this and click on, after I copy it, then I can click on plus sign and then I can enter a new name and I can just say paste. So whatever was copied from that particular GI will be pasted into this, and I'm going to enhance this GI as a custom generic inquiry. So here I have created a new GI called SO sales order line, where I took the copy of a sales order and now I want to add the line details of each order into this. So I went ahead and I saved this GI, which gets a new GI for you, GI ID, the generic inquiry. Again, you can change the screen ID by just going into the dot button here and change the screen ID to a unique ID if you want to. So that's an option. So now let's go ahead and add a new table, which is the sales order line item details. And in order to do that, I can highlight the table and click add related table. So which brings up the dialog window of the parent table, and in the child table, I'm going to say SO line. So I'm going to choose that. And how did I know this table name? Years of experience. But for new starters, there is a DAC schema browser. You can always inspect element and find out from the DAC schema browser what is the table I'm referring to. So choose SO line and it will show you different relationships. So we are looking for the one which is SO line with order type and order number. I'm going to hit add, which then adds the table SO line to the table list, and also it will create a relationship. Alright, to make sure to hit that select a related table. So it selects the table SO line with SO order type and does an inner join as well. And then make sure to click on add, which then adds the new table SO line. And not only that, if you go down to relations, you will notice that it has also added the reference from SO order to SO line with its inner join and the parameters that are supposed to be required, which is the order type and the order number. So that's how you can customize the GI. In the next video, I'm going to show you how I can export this and import that into another instance.